In this video I will show you how to use Messenger without Facebook app. The first step, what you need to do is to click on Facebook, and if you want to delete your Facebook account and using only your Messenger account, your Messenger app, you can't do that, but we have another solution and I will show you how. The first step, you need to click on your profile picture on the right down corner, and after that click on the gear icon on the right top corner on the settings, and click on the account center, and click on personal details from here, and tap on account ownership and control, and tap on deactivation or deletion, and choose your Facebook account. And from here choose the first one, deactivate account, tap on continue, and from here insert your answer to deactivate your account. But I have the second solution, which is the best for you, to be honest with you, so you need to watch the video to the very end to understand everything. Click back and choose delete account and tap on continue, and tap on continue and choose the first reason and tap on continue, and from here what will show up to you: to keep Messenger, deactivate instead. So if you delete your Facebook account, Messenger and all of your messages will be also deleted. To keep using Messenger, you can deactivate your account instead. So if you deactivate your Facebook account, your account on Messenger app will be available and you can use it anytime you want. So just click on deactivate account, and after that your account on Facebook will be deactivated and you can use only Messenger. So open Messenger, and as you see, this is my account on Messenger, and you can use only Messenger, and that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.